The Educational Insights BrainBolt handheld electronic memory game is a stimulating and engaging puzzle designed to challenge and improve memory and sequential thinking skills for a wide age range, from 7 years old to seniors. This game features a light-up sequence that players must remember and replicate, increasing in difficulty as the sequence grows longer. The core gameplay is simple yet addictive. Watch the lights, remember the pattern, and repeat it without error. This straightforward concept makes BrainBolt accessible and enjoyable for both children and adults, fostering cognitive development and confidence in problem solving. One of the key strengths of BrainBolt is its versatility. It can be played solo, allowing individuals to test and improve their memory skills independently, or in a two-player mode where friends or family members can compete to see who can recall the longest sequence. This social aspect adds a fun competitive edge and encourages interaction across generations, making it a great game for family gatherings or long car rides. The handheld design is compact and portable, which enhances its usability on the go, fitting comfortably in the hand and easy to carry. Users have praised the game for its quality build and thoughtful design. The device is battery-powered, using 3 AAA batteries, and features bright LED lights and clear sound effects that enhance the gaming experience. The buttons are responsive and durable, suitable for frequent use by children. The product dimensions are manageable, measuring approximately 8 by 5.1 by 2.1 inches, making it neither too bulky nor too small for comfortable play. Many reviews highlight how BrainBolt serves as a valuable tool for children with attention challenges, such as ADHD, by providing a focused yet entertaining activity that helps channel their energy productively. The game's difficulty level is well balanced. It is challenging enough to keep older children and adults engaged, yet may be somewhat advanced for very young children around 6 years old. Some younger users might need guidance or practice to fully enjoy the game. The absence of printed instructions in the package has been noted by some users, who found it necessary to look up tutorials online to understand the gameplay, which could be a minor inconvenience. The game's educational value is significant. It promotes memory retention, concentration, and sequential thinking, skills that are beneficial beyond the game itself. The light and sound feedback provide immediate reinforcement, which helps players learn and stay motivated. The competitive 2-player mode adds a layer of excitement and encourages repeated play, which further supports cognitive development. On the downside, a few users reported that some children lost interest quickly or found the game too difficult without assistance. This suggests that while the game is broadly appealing, it may not suit every child's preferences or developmental stage. Additionally, the reliance on batteries means that users need to keep replacements handy to avoid interruptions. Overall, BrainBolt stands out as a well-made, thoughtfully designed memory game that offers hours of fun and mental exercise. It is an excellent gift choice for children, teens, adults, and seniors alike, bridging generations with its simple yet challenging gameplay. The game's portability, quality construction, and dual play modes make it a versatile addition to any toy or game collection. For those looking to improve memory skills or simply enjoy a lighthearted brain teaser, BrainBolt is a commendable option. If you have experience with this game, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description to support the channel.